Hey everyone, Mike here. For the purposes of illustration, I have disassembled a treadmill to make it a little easier for you to be able to see what it is that I'm getting into without being crunched down into a very tight area. And what I've done here is I've taken this motor out of the treadmill, and I want to show you how you can test the motors. It can be in, you don't have to take the motor out of the treadmill, it can still be in. I'm just doing, again, this is just being done for illustration. But what I have done is I purchased a 6-foot extension cord. As you can see here, you can purchase them for probably about $1.50 at your local home center. And then what you're going to want to do is you will take that extension cord and cut off this end of the plug right here. And then you will end up with a split. You'll pull it apart, split it, strip down the plastic, and then put a couple of ends on the wire to make sure that it doesn't fray out. You don't have to do that. I like to do it just to keep it from fraying, because the frayed copper wires, when the real small wires, they'll break much easier, and you'll end up having to strip, and before you know it, you'll be down to nothing. You have to buy another extension cord. But anyway, what you'll do is there's a couple little notches on the hot side of the extension cord. What you'll do is you'll file those down so that it's flat, same size on both sides of the plug or the prongs, and then you will take the extension cord and the motor wires and plug it in. Just as simple as that right there. You plug the wires into the end of the extension cord, and then you'll be able to take just a standard 12-volt battery. You can use 18-volt or higher, but I just want to show you that 12-volt will work for this purpose. And believe it or not, even with the belts connected to this motor on your treadmill, when you touch the leads to this battery, the belt will work. So all you need to do, there you go. If you do this and the motor turns, the belt turns, you know that you have a good motor. That's all there is to testing motors on a treadmill. If you make one of these little cords right here, just a standard extension cord, cut the ends off, put some tips on it to make sure that it doesn't fray, you'll be able to test motors when you go out on a treadmill repair.